Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to replace the front fog light on my Mark II Focus facelift.
This video is sponsored by Auxito, a global supplier of automotive products. If you would like a 15% discount on Auxito products, use the code GG15 on auxito.com.
So first remove the headlight using the Torx number 30, and there's two clips. You just push one of them and then you can just wriggle it out, move it out of the way. Then you just disconnect the bulb. You have a clip just underneath. You just press it and then pull it down, and then the bulb, you just do anti-clockwise and then remove it. The Focus Mark II facelift use H8 type of front fog light bulbs, unlike the pre-facelift version that uses H1. Now, I'm going to use for the first time LED lights, and which are supplied by Auxito, which is a company that specializes on automotive LED lights. They have sent me this pair for free for me to review. So if you would like to buy a pair of these or any other lights that they have available on their website, please use the discount code that you will find at the bottom of the screen. So all the bulbs do have these guides that allow you to click them in place. You just have to find the right position. There you go. And then twist clockwise and they should still in place. And then click the plug, and then let's see if they work. Perfect, look at that. Look how bright the new light is compared to the older one. Now time to replace the other side as well. It only took a few minutes to install, very easy. I'm quite happy with these Auxito LED bulbs. And if you would like to have a discount, please use the code GG15 on the Auxito website for an extra 15% discount on your purchases on the Auxito website. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.